Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
morning.
Good morning. It's morning.
Off mode. What, ma'am? Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
everyone.
Good morning.
Who is not here? One, two, three, four, five, six. Two people are not here. Who are they? One is
Chitra.
Sitra and
And everything else party is here.
yeah, everyone else is there, right? Abhi, Fateh, and Barira. Can you turn on your camera? Are everyone wearing white? We can take one more photo. But before that, I
Yes,
have to say
no?
something, okay? Barira, can you turn on your camera? Abhi,
Okay.
Amila, where is your white?
Ma'am, it's not ready at all.
You have two, three whites, right?
Yeah.
Fateh, please turn on your camera. Abhi, please turn on your
Let me
camera.
ask my ma'am if there is.
Yes. Okay, before that, Amila, I have to give a small instruction. Guys,
Okay,
do you
good.
like fancy dress? Do you like to dress up?
Maybe?
Do you? It's my question. I think Milan likes to dress up, right, Milan? Barrier, do you like to dress up? Okay, what about
Like what, ma'am?
Helena and Amila? Do you guys like to dress up?
Like all my white clothes are all my white clothes has went to washing, so I can't wear.
So by dressing up, I mean fancy dressing up. Do you like to dress up? Like
Yeah, maybe.
Laser? You do. Okay, what about Laser? Does Laser like to dress up?
No. Sure. Oh, I understood what's fancy dress up like in acting and all, right?
Yeah, you will change to costume. Okay.
Then I
So
will be.
you have to be someone. We have this event. It's not a competition, okay? First of all, it's not a competition. It's an event where we will have fun. So
I will be Elsa, ma'am.
it has to be someone
Really?
like famous, someone who inspires you. For example,
Like
maybe a
superheroes.
scientist or a politician or someone who's great, like Albert Einstein. I think Milan might be Albert Einstein.
Ma'am, I think Barira is playing game.
Barira, please focus, and Fateh, turn on your camera.
I'm hearing sounds from like game sounds.
So I want you guys to
Ma'am,
participate in that.
I
Okay?
have something to tell you. Ma'am, I will be a fairy.
Amila,
It's a
look for
photo.
something like inspiring, maybe a scientist or
I will be
historic
a scientist.
a historic figure. Try search famous historic figures. I'll give the spelling in chat box.
Yeah, okay. After that, I will search.
Amila and girls can search historic female figures for fancy
Mm,
dress. Fancy
ma'am,
dress.
why is ma'am? Can
Yes.
I ask you?
Yes, Milan?
Ma'am, I think Barina is playing a game because while you're talking, I heard some sound from her.
Barira, can you share your screen so that Milan can be peaceful? And Abhi, we
Not
can be
in,
Mahatma Gandhi actually. Do you know that?
ma'am, not in the screen, like in a like tab or phone.
Barira, can you share your screen, please?
Ma'am, she did play game. I saw it yesterday.
Okay. Can you close the Canva? Matific, close other things, Google, close Canva. Yes, close it. Please close Canva.
I also took a
Barira,
screenshot.
close.
Ma'am,
No, don't
ma'am,
put down. Close
ma'am, it's not
Matific.
in a laptop. It's like in a tab or phone. I heard sounds.
Barira, please unmute.
Barriera
Keep your
stopping.
phone unmuted. Okay. Girls, boys, did you get something? Did you find something? Historic figures that you can be?
Uh,
Try
yeah.
something simple that you can be from home. Show me what you can be. What did you find out?
Wait, is wait 1 second. I'm still searching for what should I do.
Yeah, you can be a
Yes.
scientist, artist. You can be Adam and Eve, the first two human beings. I think Helena,
No.
you can be Rani Lakshmi
I want
Bai.
to be an artist because I learned how to draw really good in my phone. Wait, I'll show you the drawings. Because I only know how to digital draw, not real draw.
But use
The
that
same.
phone. Keep
Ma'am,
it aside. You are not supposed
ma'am,
to have phone in
look
class,
in my.
Farida.
I'm just
Ma'am,
showing the
look at
drawings
this.
that I
Who should I
did.
You
be?
don't need phone for
Who should I
anything in
be?
class. Just
Ma'am,
keep it aside, Farida.
ma'am, look
What?
at my camera.
Okay. Yeah, I saw.
Why this one?
Yes, yes. Farida, please keep your phone aside. Fateh,
Look,
your
see?
camera was turned for 7 minutes. You turned
No,
it
no,
on
no.
in the last
Ma'am,
Marina,
minute.
you close the app. You close the app.
Ma'am, I was having some problem with the voice. That's why.
Okay, Barira,
No,
keep your
Nilan, I'm
phone
just
aside. You are not sub.
Nilan,
Barira, I took a
I'm
screenshot.
just
I'm gonna
putting,
send you, Mama.
I'm just trying to show. That's it. But
Why are we
drawing.
having class?
It is not
In your class
Marina,
chat?
you know you have iPad.
Why are you
What?
having
I don't
class?
have one.
Yes, Abhi. Abhi?
I don't think no, no, an iPad.
Nothing.
Will anyone give any characters they can be?
No.
No.
I'm not scientist.
With scientists.
Ma'am, what are we
Specifically.
supposed to do?
I don't know.
We are finding characters for fancy dress. We are going to dress up. So,
Like the girls in forest wear something. I don't know.
I'm gonna search Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she's nice.
One lets me buy is.
That's a nice character, right?
Can you tell the spelling?
Yes, she's a famous freedom fighter.
Can you tell the spelling?
Rani. Rani.
R-N-I. Huh? I got it already. Like,
That's an easy figure, right? So you can search
Yeah.
for figures. Milan, you are not
Sorry.
doing what I said. You are not looking for characters. Milan, you
Ma'am,
this year you can participate for anything, Milan.
can I watch for like teenagers teen?
Others participated for cooking show. Amila even participated for the videography. And Helena,
I want to do the
congratulations.
cooking show.
You got third for the cooking,
Ma'am.
right? Nice, good job.
What about me in the cooking show? Like,
I don't think others received. It was given in the group. Didn't you check the group?
no.
And Amila, I think you
Ma'am.
got a position in the
Ma'am, I got one.
other competition, Amila. I think you got.
Ma'am,
a
I
position
got
in
one.
that. You got one show.
Ma'am, I got a character.
Yeah, show, laser. Let's see.
It's Luffy. It's Luffy.
Okay. Show laser. We are waiting for your character.
I'm sharing.
Others?
Taking too long.
What we are supposed to do, we are look for characters from history. Someone who inspired us.
Like anime characters,
We cannot be anime characters. They are not historic figures, right? They are not
Can I just
famous.
take any character?
Any character from
Ruby
history.
the monkey.
Can be
Ma'am, this
artist,
one.
a politician, a freedom fighter, scientist. Any characters those who are famous and known all over the world.
Yeah, here.
Places we are not able to see.
This is
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you tell ma'am?
I'm gonna search from characters from history
Huh? You can't?
to be
Well, I'm sharing the screen.
not
Ma'am.
possible. Yes, Amina.
Can you tell the name of a scientist?
Albert Einstein.
No, a girl scientist.
Girl scientist. They are very hard. Let's see. Let me search. I'm searching.
Ma'am, can you see my screen yet?
Not yet. Oh, it is not yet. It's coming. It's coming. What about Kalpana
When will
Chawla?
it come?
Okay, hi. People, We'll discuss more about this. Okay. Try to find out from home. We'll have fun on that day.
Put the name in chat, ma'am.
Yes, I'll put it in the WhatsApp. Okay, just give me just 1 minute. Laser is presenting something. Just a minute.
What role did I call, ma'am?
Ma'am, sharing laser screen
I'll
sharing.
let you know. Yeah, Laser is sharing the screen. Laser,
Ma'am, did I got any role, ma'am?
I'll let you know, Amila, later. Okay.
Ma'am, here I start sharing the screen.
Laser, it's not coming.
Ma'am, I think yeah.
Did you put in the chat?
Okay, Laser, we'll see later because your class is about to start. Okay.
Ma'am,
Wait, why?
Bye. No,
ma'am.
Amila, later. Amila. No, not this
Ma'am,
character.
no.
Not anime.
Yes.
No.
He's the. What do you mean? He's a horistical male figure. Monkey D. Luffy.
Bye bye.
Now can you see?
Yes, later.
Even
Ma'am, now
I
can you
have
see?
on my, I have him even on my T-shirt.
Bye guys.
Bruh,